See, aside from singing for fun and health, when you get to my age, you have to think of other things to stay healthy. I like to plant. It's hard for me to have a garden now, so I do container gardening. As you can see, this is an eggplant. Be good for salad by just grilling them and then peeling it and mushing it and mix it with tomato and onions and season it with salt and pepper, and you have an eggplant salad. Or you can boil it and then just kind of spread it and then beat some eggs and you fry it. That's my first eggplant for the season. There's 1, 2, 3 more. And over here you have flowers, and these will turn out to be eggplants again, like this size. As I was saying earlier, you can either grill this and then peel it off and then slice some tomatoes and onions and you mix it and you have an eggplant salad. Or you just boil the whole thing. You take this off when you boil it, and as soon as it's boiled, you kind of spread it by opening up right in the middle. Spread it, beat some egg, put it in it, and fry it, and you have an eggplant omelet, the way you want to call it that way. But in Spanish, you can call it torta or tortilla. Okay, this is one of the best vegetables. It's I read some time ago that eggplant is the only eggplant that can absorb cholesterol. Now I have some peppers also. I'm gonna go get some peppers over here. Here. See? These are peppers, sweet banana peppers. You can grill it. When you grill some meat, you grill some sweet banana peppers to supplement your meat. Oh, these are good. They're good eating. See? That's fresh. You just got it from just harvested it, see? There. I leave the little ones, let them get a little bigger. And I got some more over there. Here, look at this. See how nice they are? There, look at that. See? These are the big ones. There. I leave the little ones first. These are, well, they could be, you could use that for soup. This one is good. Oh, I don't want to break the branch. There. And here's another big one over here. This should be good for grilling. These are healthy. Healthy vegetables. Oops. This is tough. Where's my scissors? I got it. There. And if you don't know it yet, the leaves of the pepper are good for vegetables also. If you want to make some chicken soup, you put this and it will put some flavor in your chicken soup. Pepper leaves, they're very edible. And these, I'm just trying to let it grow, because I was at the farmer's market a couple of days ago, and the farmers I was talking to, he was selling these, and I know from the some of the stalls where Hmong vendors are selling them, I thought maybe the Hmongs are just picking them up as they grow like this, because I would consider them as weeds. But the gentleman is Caucasian, and he told me they're called purse alley, purse like a purse, woman's purse. purse alley. That's how he called it. And he said, okay, you can make salad out of them, or you can mix it with soup. All right. So it's fun to do some vegetable. You call it container gardening. All these pots are from the courtesy of a good garden store. They said I can help myself with them because they were actually for recycling. But if I need them, so they were kind enough to give me a few. All right. I hope that is informative. Thank you much. There you go.